purpose of plantation is fulfilled only when the planted sapling grows successfully into a self-sustaining tree. The plantation materials used are usually of high quality. High-class plants are provided by the nurseries. Water, fertilizers, and other materials essential for the maintenance of plantation are also present. Yet we see the sustainable survival of plantation is not always achieved, and plantation failure may occur. Lack of protection from grazing animals and insufficient watering are the most common reasons for failure of plantation. For protection of new planted saplings, tree guards are commonly used. All these tree guards provide adequate protection but play no role in watering. We at Rainbow Greeners have developed a foolproof solution to solve both these problems with one integrated system, Rakshak, the self-watering tree guard. Rakshak is an easy-to-install system. First, the branches and leaves of the sapling are covered with a protective sleeve. Then Rakshak assembly is mounted comfortably. The sleeve is removed. Water holding device is fixed in its place at the bottom. A strong stake support is provided. Now the Rakshak tree guard is filled with water. Holes are made in the ground near the tree and deep root irrigation system is installed. Now let's find out the different advantages the Rakshak tree guard provides to your plantation. It provides better protection from grazing animals. The deep root irrigation system of Rakshak provides healthy and faster growth of the tree. Watering is concentrated near the planted tree. This checks the unwanted weed growth. As weeds take up plant nutrition, lesser weeds translate into faster growth of the planted tree. Efficient water use by ensuring 100% water percolation and by eliminating evaporation losses, up to 50% water saving is achieved. As Rakshak is a self-watering tree guard, the required manual watering frequency is reduced in multiples. The tube shelter of Rakshak develops microclimate, thereby enabling better vertical growth of the tree. The structure of Rakshak also enhances the tree's response to fertilizers. Rakshak provides better survival rate compared to other tree guards. The maintenance period is also reduced. It goes down from 5 years to as low as 2 years. Increases commercial value of the obtained timber with better timber quality. You may commonly see that people put garbage in tree guards. With tube structure of Rakshak tree guard, there is a lesser chance of that happening. There is also a lesser chance of theft of this tree guard because of its zero scrap value. As you now know, there are innumerable advantages of providing your plantation with the Rakshak tree guard. To know more about it and many more useful products and services related with your plantation needs, contact the highly experienced and qualified team at Rainbow Greeners. Thank you.